Living Flame number 33, My Joy in You. We read from John chapter 15. Jesus said to his disciples, As the Father loves me, so I also love you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commandments and remain in his love. I have told you this so that my joy might be in you and your joy might be complete. Let me repeat that for our living flame. My joy might be in you and that your joy might be complete. The other day, Jesus told us that He gives us peace, the peace that the world cannot give. Now, He offers us another gift, my joy in you. Happiness is oftentimes a very scarce commodity for people today. Ang hirap hanapin ng kagalakan. Mahirap na hanapin ng kapayapaan. Mahirap ding hanapin ang kasiyahan o tunay na kagalakan sa buhay o sa puso. Hinahanap natin ng kagalakan o kasiyahan sa mga bagay dito sa lupa. And yes, why not? They give us temporary pleasure. They give us temporary highs and they often lead us to a feeling that everything is nice in our life. Everything is light and easy. Masarap po yung buhay na masaya. Pero alam natin na laging panandalian ito. Sometimes we are afraid that the joy that is in us will be taken and will not last. And true enough, laging ganon. May mga Pilipino, sa ating mga Pilipino, may parang kasabihan tayo na huwag masyadong masaya. Kasi pag masyadong masaya, alam na natin ang kasunod. Parang minsan natatakot tayo na maging masaya kasi nga sa karanasan natin, lagi itong nauuwi sa pag-iyak, nauuwi lagi ito sa kalungkutan. Kaya yun natin maging masaya ng lubusan. We're afraid to be happy or we're afraid to celebrate too much because we know that suffering comes sooner than later. Siguro may karanasan kayong ganyan sa inyong buhay, na you miss those days when everything was happy in your family. No, you sometimes engage in this nostalgic remembering of the things that were before in your family, in your life. Buti pa noon, ganito kami. Buti pa noon, ganito ang ginagawa namin. Buti pa nung mga kumpleto pa kami, laging may party sa bahay, laging may reunion. Buti pa nung buhay pa, sina lolo at lola, lagi kaming magkakasama. Buti pa nung buhay pa, ang mga magulang, pero ngayon, wala na lahat. We experience that in many of our homes today, there is just silence. Wala na yung halakhakan, wala na yung kwentuhan hanggang umaga, wala na yung tawanan. Anong naiiwan? Ang pagkabalisa, ang pag-iisa. The Lord is telling us today, in this living flame, joy cannot be found here in this world. We can only find temporary episodes of pleasure or happiness. But real joy, it is not something you produce. It is not something you create. Joy is a gift, and you have to choose that gift. The Lord is telling you today, I give you my joy. But you have to make a decision to accept the joy that comes from the Lord. If He gives us peace, then He also gives us joy. Peace and joy, they come together. Pag may kapayapaan sa puso, may kagalakan din. At pag may kagalakan sa puso, meron ding kapayapaan. At nawa ito ang maranasan mo ngayong panahon ng muling pagkabuhay. Kapatid, buhay na ang Diyos. Huwag na tayong malungkot. Huwag na tayong patatalo sa pagkabalisa o pagkatakot. Celebrate life. Be happy. Be joyful. It's a disposition, yes. It is a feeling, yes. But more than that, it is a gift from the Lord. And the dream of Jesus, the prayer of Jesus in our gospel today is that my joy may be in you and that your joy might be complete. Hindi laging kumpleto ang joy, hindi laging kumpleto ang kagalakan kung ang pumupuno lang ng kagalakang ito ay panandalian o mga bagay na dito lamang. Ang Panginoon ang magbibigay ng kaganapan ng kagalakan. He gives us the fullness of joy because in Him we find hope. In Him we find life. In Him we find comfort and consolation. Tapusin na ang kalungkutan. Jesus comes to bring us joy. Don't worry. Be happy. Be joyful. And it is the Lord who gives us this joy and happiness that we are longing for.